What's going on? Jay Dang here. So lately I've got a lot of messages from aspiring fitness professionals asking me, how do I get started? So I'm going to keep it super simple, boil it down to 3 things that you need to do to become a trainer or fitness professional. So step 1 is you need to look the part. So let's be real, you're not going to take financial advice from someone who's broke. So why are you going to take fitness advice from someone who's not in shape? You got to take care of yourself and get yourself right before you start helping others. Step 2 is simple. You need to get certified. And this is for credibility with your audience, your community. This is to know how to perform the job. And 3, to be able to get insurance to perform your craft at gyms like this. Third step is marketing yourself. You need to put yourself out there that you're a trainer. You can't expect people to just slide in your DMs, jump in your inbox, asking you for training. You got to put yourself out there on social media, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever media platforms that you use and your ideal clients use. So to recap it, super simple to become a trainer. Look the part, get certified, market yourself. So if you're watching this video, I hope this gets you on track to becoming a fitness professional, and I'll see you next time.